a Wikividi Documentaries production. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy. Adam Dell. Adam R. Dell is an American venture capitalist and is the brother of Michael Dell, the founder of computer manufacturing company Dell Incorporated. Career. He began his career working as a corporate attorney for Winstead Secorest & Minnick, in Austin, Texas, before joining the venture capital firm of Enterprise Partners in La Jolla, California, in 1997. He then joined Crosspoint Venture Partners, in Woodside, California, where he became a partner in 1999. In 2000 he formed Impact Venture Partners, an early-stage venture capital firm, in New York City. Dell is currently a venture partner at Austin Ventures. During the course of his career, Dell has invested in numerous technology companies such as HotJobs.com, which was acquired by Yahoo in 2002, Connectify, which was acquired by Kyna Software in 2000, Ingenio, which was acquired by AT&T in 2007, and OpenTable. He has founded two companies, Buzzsaw.com, which was acquired by Autodesk in 2002, and Message One, which was acquired by Dell Incorporated in 2008. Dell was a visiting professor at the University of Texas School of Law, where he taught a class on the role of law in innovation. In October 2016, Dell launched the consumer financial app, Clarity Money. The startup, backed by George Soros and Bessemer Venture Partners, claims to use artificial intelligence and data science to help consumers make smarter financial decisions. Brought to you by Wikividi Documentaries. Would you like to know more?